Day number 5 of our client communication sales tips. If you're a financial advisor, licensed banker, insurance agent, sales professional, I really believe these are going to be able to help your business soar. Here's tip number 5: facts tell, stories sell. Facts tell, stories sell. Story building builds trust faster than data. Now, you can bring in data in your storytelling, but if you want clients to remember your pitch, tell a story. Data fades, stories stick. Facts tell, stories sell. So start your next meeting with a client success story. Tell them about a client that made the leap or the jump or bought the product or whatever it is, but tell the story. I've referred to it before, Story Brand. Go buy the book by Donald Miller. Learn how to tell an amazing story where you are not the hero, but your client is the hero and you're the guide. You're the Obi-Wan guiding them to the success. Because here's the reality. You're not just selling financial services. You're building futures. It all starts with how you communicate. So if you're ready for more coaching, workshops, tools to bring this into your team or your firm, I'd love to help. Check out speakwithpeople.com/speak with your client. You will find tons of resources to help you become a master client communicator. We'll see you tomorrow for tip number 6.